What do we do every week?
Number of day.
Number of the day. We're going to do the number of the day today. Today, we are going to use number 60. 60. 60. How do you write number 60? 60. Yeah, 60. How do you spell 60? S-I-X-T-Y. Okay. On your paper, you will put the number of the day, 60, on the first line. After the comma, you will spell the number for today on the next line. Okay? What do you put first? What do you put on the first line? 60. Yeah. And what do you spell on the second line? S-I-X-T-Y. Good. Okay, go ahead and do that. After you write the number 60 and you spell the word 60, put your pencils down so I can see who is ready. So here's the number of the day, 60, and the word 60. After you have finished that, put your pencil down, 60, and spell. Good. Okay. When your pencils are down, I see that you are ready. So when you finish writing, put your pencils down. Okay? So we're going to count. In the first box, first of all, how many boxes on your paper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to start with the box where you count.
5.
And we count by 5s. You're right. What do we call that? What is the word? Do you remember? Remember the word tally? Yeah, tally. How many numbers in one group? 5. Every line, one number. 4 going down, 1 going across. So we are going to put tallies in the first box, but I want you to make the tallies so they are easy to read. We will count to 60 with the tallies. So you have got your box, right? We're going to put them in your tally box, okay? Let's count our tallies up to 60. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I do not want to put number 6 close to number 5. It makes it difficult to see. Give your eyes a little space between. Okay, I'm going to move over. Maybe even put my hand. All right, so we have 5. Let's count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I'm going to come down. I'm going to make them look beautiful so I can see them easy. So we have, how much so far? Let's count by 5s. We've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Come down here, let's go right here.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Okay. Does that look beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy to see. You have them under each other. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And 60 is our number of the day. Go ahead and take your pencil and you put 60 tallies in your box where it says count. Okay? Right here. I have 4 going across the top, 4 groups going across the top. When you have, yeah, so you have 5, 10, 15, now 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Perfect. 36, 37, 38, 39. When you have 60 tallies, put your pencil down. 44, 43, 44, 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Finished? Let's count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. When you are finished, put your pencil down, then I can see when you are ready. Okay, it looks like everyone is done. Pencils down, look here. What coin do you count by fives? What coin is 5 cents?
Nickel.
Nickel. If you are counting nickels, you count by fives, right? Let's count by fives one more time. Look here and we'll count. Ready? 5,
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
Now, I want to count by tens. I want to count by tens.
Thanks.
What coin? Dime. Maybe you have dimes. If you count by tens, that's a fast way to add numbers and to count. So we're going to circle how many tallies, how many groups are in 10? 2 groups. All right, so I'm going to circle that. 10.
10.
How much?
20.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, count by tens. Get to number 60 by counting by tens. Let's do it one more time by tens. Ready?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Take your pencil and circle 2 groups of tallies. So you have 6 circles of 10. Do that on your paper. So I see 2 groups together. 5 and 5 is 10. 5, yep, 20. Oh, but look at here. I have too many in 4, 8. Yeah, someone take it. And you can circle up and down or next to each other, that's okay. How many circles do you have? Well, six circles. Yeah, you have 6 circles because 6 circles with 10 tallies in each circle, that's going to get you 60. Yeah. So altogether 60. Good. All right. Let's go on to money. Now we will go to the next box. We will use money to add up to 60 cents, right? Remember, we know how much each coin is. Raise your hand if you can answer this question. Oh, good. She's excited. She's ready to go. I want 60 cents. Raise your hand. Do not speak. Raise your hand if you can tell me, how do I make 60 cents with 2 quarters? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. How do I make 60 cents using 2 quarters? 2 quarters.
Yes.
Who can
You got
answer?
that,
Raise
yes.
your hand. Don't speak. Raise your hand. Who knows? Do you know how to do that? Raise your hand. Good. Doll, how do you make 60 cents if I use 2 quarters? So I've got 1 quarter.
Quarter.
25 cents. Good. Yeah. And 2 quarters. 25 cents. And doll, what other coin do I need?
10 one time.
A dime, 10 cents. Okay. So, yeah. And I'm going to put the number of the coin inside the coin. What is 25 plus 25? 50. What is 50 plus 10? 60 cents. I want someone to raise your hand and tell me only dimes. No quarters, no nickels. Raise your hand if you can tell me what money do I put together, only dimes, to make 60 cents? Raise your hand. Can you answer that? Saba, how do I make 60 cents using dimes? How many dimes? 6 times. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. All right, 6 dimes. That equals 60 cents, right? That is one way to draw 60 cents. Tell me a way to add 60 cents with nickels and quarter. 1 quarter. 1 quarter and anything else. Raise your hand. Who knows? Abdullah. How do I make 60 cents? What is another way I can use the coins together to make 60 cents? I'm going to have you start with only 1 quarter. Okay? No more quarters. What else can I use?
25.
Yeah, 25. What else?
25.
Only 125.
No more.
Ah.
30. Means 20. 25.
Okay. What other coins?
Dime.
Okay. Let's make a dime. Let's make a dime.
Dime.
A dime and another dime. Let's see.
Nickel.
Let's count. See how much we have so far.
Nickel.
So 25 plus 10.
35.
35 plus 10.
45.
45.
Dime.
One more dime. Okay.
Yeah.
So 25.
Dime.
35,
45.
45, 55,
Nickel.
Nickel.
and 1 nickel. Good, 1 nickel. All right. So this is one way to group your coins to equal 60 cents. This is a different way, and this is a different way. Many different ways you can put coins together to equal 60 cents. You will get 1 bag. There is 1 penny, 1 nickel, 1 dime, 1 quarter in your bag. I want you to put the coin that you're going to use, put it on your paper. When you put the quarter on your paper, draw a circle around the coin with your pencil, okay? Only 60 cents, all right? I want you to see the size of the coin by drawing a circle around the actual coin. Don't just make a circle. 2 people together with 1 bag. And think about what coins do you want to use? And you will put those coins in the money box on your paper and draw a circle around the coin with your pencil. Pencil's no good, that's all. I'm glad you have 2 pencils. Remember, put the number inside the circle to say how much money it is. 1 penny. Good. Or is this the penny? Yep. So put 1 cent, not 7. Oh, that's a 7. Like 1 equals 14. How much money is this? A quarter. How much? In the circle, put the number 25. 25 cents. Cents. Like a C with a line there. How, yep, and then a nickel. Yes. Draw a circle around the nickel. In the middle of the circle, write 5 cents. And then you can add together and see how much more money you need. Do you need pennies today? Are you going to use pennies today? How many pennies if you use pennies? Doll. Did you use 5 pennies? Very good, you can do that. If you use 1 penny, you have to use 5. All right. All right, good. Let's count. What is 25 plus 25? 50 plus 5? 5. Very good. So 2 quarters
as we count it up.
and 2 25. Yeah, that's a great way. We did not put that one on the board, but that is a very good solution as well. After you are finished with your coins, put the coins in the bag, roll the bag, and close the bag. Let's count. 25 plus 5? 45. Try it again. 25. 30 plus 10? 40. And then you have 41. Today, do we want 41 or do we want 60? 60. You need more money. Okay. Put some more coins in here. Add some more to get up to 60. Okay. I see a problem. I see 3 or 4 people. They have their coins, 4 coins, and they drew 4 coins. 25 and 10 and 5 and 1. But that's only 41. Okay? I want you to take what coins you need to equal 60, not 41 cents. Do not just put 4 coins and draw a circle. You need to think about what coins do you put together to make 60 cents. Okay? So maybe you need to erase, maybe you need to add some more money, because 41 cents is not enough. Yeah, let's count. What's 25 plus 5? 30 plus 10? Plus 10? Plus 10. Woohoo! But then you have to erase this circle. If you don't want this penny or dime, erase it because that circle is smaller than the quarter if you want 25. Ah, Joel, you're crazy, man. What is 25 plus 5? 30 plus 10?
35 or 45?
Try again. 25 plus 5?
30,
30 plus 10? 40 plus 10? 50 plus 5?
55,
Plus 1?
56,
6?
57, 58, 59.
Good. Or we could do it different. We could say 25 plus 5,
30,
30 plus 5,
35,
35 plus 10,
45,
45 plus 10, 55, 56.
57, 58, 59.
Very good. All right. I see you have your pencils down, you have your money drawn, pencils down. Let's go to the next square. We are finished with money. Okay. So, we counted with tallies. We used money with coins. And now we're going to look in the box where you see the number 60. Where do you see the number 60?
Across?
On the clock.
Yeah.
Why? What is 60 on the clock?
10 minutes.
60 minutes. So we have 60 minutes
Yeah.
in 1
Oh.
hour. All right, let's do that one. So on your paper, you have I see, it's on the left over here, okay? And it starts by saying I see, right? And you will finish with your pencil and say I see 60 minutes in 1 hour. All right, let's say that. In 1 hour. We have a full sentence, put a period at the end. Go ahead and finish. Yep, you're going to write. So you have, I see, now you're going to write in yellow, 60 minutes, 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, when you're finished, put your pencil down. So you have a good sentence. Every sentence. What do we put at the end of every sentence?
Period.
Period. Right? Get that period on your sentence. Good. Okay? More or less. More or less. What do you see up here? Do you see numbers?
Yeah.
Numbers?
Yes.
Can you see the red numbers?
10,
10,
20,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, number 60, do you see it right here?
Yes.
Is this our number today?
Yes.
60. Okay. What numbers are more than 60?
70.
Maybe 70? 80?
90.
Okay. Maybe 100. Okay. What numbers are less than 60? 50, 50, 40, 30, 20. How about some of the black numbers? How about some of these.
20 and
Hmm?
20.
Can you tell me some different numbers that are black? Not just the red numbers, but we have every number up to number 60, right? 60 different numbers. You're giving me all tens. Those are good. Give me some numbers that are the color black.
59.
Yellow.
59? 59. 59 is one number less than 60. Good. Give me another one.
55.
55, sure.
25.
Give me something over here, right? All these numbers are less. 30, 29,
39.
39, good. Okay. Any of these numbers, they are all less than 60. They are smaller than 60. Let me go with some different numbers that are bigger than 60, more than 60. You gave me 70, 80, 90. Those are good. But give me some of the black numbers.
61.
61 is more than 60. 62 is more than 60.
70.
70, 64,
75.
75, right? So any of these numbers more than 60, they are bigger than the number 60. Okay. On your paper, you will pick one number in your mind, in your head, that is more than 60. And you will write it on the line that says more. Put one number, yep, right there. One number on the line that says more. One number that is, Nancy, you can walk around a little bit. One number on the line that says more than 60. Mm-hmm. Good. Good. And on the line that is less than 60, think of one number that is smaller or less than 60. Right, no, just right here. One number.
What is 60? What is more than
Less,
60?
what? Good, 62 is more. And 59 is less. Beautiful. 84 is more than 60. 28 is less than 60. Good. So I see you have 60 and 60. Is this more or less? Are they the same? I don't want equal, I want more. Something a little bit more than 60. 70, good. 65 is more than 55 is good. Less. All right. On your paper, you have two lines over here. Right now, I want you to take your pencil, and we're going to put the number 60 for today on these two lines at the end of the two sentences. So number 60 is our number for today. You will write number 60 on this line and on this line at the end of each sentence. So 60 and 60. Yes, that is true. 60 and 60. Now, you are going to put your number that is more than 60. You will put your number here. 60.
More.
So, Io.
62.
Yeah. Io Broad.
65.
More,
Okay. Eo, what number did you write that was more? 62? Okay. You have number 62 that is more?
More, yeah.
Then you will write 62 is more
Yeah.
than 60. Abdullahi, what number do you have that is more?
62.
62. So you will put number 62 is more than 60. Langway, what number do you have that is more? Do you have 60 or 70?
70.
So 70, you will write the same number here because 70 is more than 60. Lepa, what number do you have that is more? What do you have, Lepa? 84 is more than 60. Yes. Go to the next number that you have that is less, and that number you will put in the next sentence. So now we've got less than, so the number you have up here that is less, let's say we had number 70 is more. What number, doll, do you have that is less than 60?
55.
55. If you have number 55 here, you put that number down here to read the sentence that says 55 is less than 60. Very good. Okay, Paul, what number do you have that is less?
60.
50?
Yeah.
Okay. 50, I put the same number down into my sentence, and I read 50 is less than 60. Okay? Very good. Good. Yep. Looks good. So what number is this? 50. Okay, so you have these just opposite, right? 60 is more than 67. Opposite. So this number will go here, and this number will go here, right? So remember, the last number on the right is the number of the day, 60. So let me come back and check that. Good, 65, 45, good, yes, good. Good. Today we're going to work with the number 60. First we're going to add numbers to 60. And you have a box. Maybe we'll do four problems. When you add, does your answer get bigger or smaller? When you add numbers together, 1 plus 1? 2. The number is bigger, right? Your number will be more than that first number.
20.
We're going to start with the number of the day. So we're going to start with number 60. Okay, go ahead with your pencil and you write number 60. And let's add one number together. What number should we add first? 10. So Abba said, let's do the math. 60 plus 10. Remember, when we see this word, we say in English, plus. And when we see this line in English, what do we say?
70.
Okay, well, we're going to put the answer. All right, 70. How do I read this in English? We say 60 plus 10
70.
equals. Yeah, we're going to